Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the size of the horizontal shadow on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, here is an option. You can see here Open Editor. Click on that. So for adjusting the horizontal shadow, first you just need to upload an image, and then you just need to add the shadow. So for adding the shadow, here on the top as an option, you can see here Edit. Click on that. And then you just need to turn on the shadow, and then here is an option. You can see here horizontal. From here you can just adjust the size of the horizontal shadow, and now you can see that horizontal you had been adjust the size of the horizontal shadow on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.